Alright, so question from unknown, no? So, sino ka man, ha? Okay, unknown. Any suggested po sa may balak mag-BSA? Hehe. Suggestion ko, no? Unang-una, hopefully you are good in terms of analysis, no? Bakit analysis? Kasi accounting is not just numbers, no? Hindi lang puro numbers, but you need to understand, no, and know or how you will be able to analyze. No? Dapat marunong kang mag-analyze, no? Kasi unang-una, in your first year, no, unang mong gagawin is about the basic accounting. Although if you are ABM naman, no, ABM student, alam mo na kung paano yung mag-debit and credit, no? Ibig sabihin, marunong ka dapat mag-analyze ng transactions. Ano ba yan? Debit ba yan or credit ba yan, no? And please take note, no, you need first to understand, no, the very basic or the Bible of accounting. So, ano yung Bible of accounting para sa akin, no? Yung any increase or decrease of that particular account. O, ano ba yan? If there would be an increase in your assets, is it to be debited or to be credited? If there would be a decrease also in your liability, o, ano ba yan? Debit or credit ba yan, no? Especially also in the equity. And also about revenue, expenses, drawings. Pag dyan pa lang, medyo mahina ka na, hindi naman mahina, medyo hindi mo pa naintindihan. Better to understand, no, the reason behind. Particularly about normal balance. Ano ba ang normal balance ng assets? Normal balance ng liabilities? Normal balance ng equity? And all the expenses, revenues, and drawings. So, yun lang. Pag alam mo na yun, you can be able na to journalize, to post to the ledger, adjustment, yun, very important also is the adjustment, no? And then, to do worksheet, and you can now be able to prepare your FS. So, yun yung pinaka-basic. Okay, if ever man alam mo na yun, in your first year, you will understand, di ba, in your basic accounting, meron tayong mga assets, liabilities. In FINAC, or INTAC 1, 2, 3, no? Pag-aaralan mo yung each accounts, accounting for cash, accounting for account receivable, accounting for inventories, accounting for investment, accounting for all the assets. So, dapat kabisado mo rin yun, no? Also, accounting for liabilities, accounting for notes payable, accounts payable, months payable, and accounting for stockholders' equity. Okay. That would be intact. You have also your cost accounting. Dapat marunong ka rin mag-account ng cost. We have also management accounting, no? Dapat you're also good in terms of decision making. In